Okay, I think we're live. I'm back a bit later than expected. I don't know, I'm just exhausted today. I think we're gonna see if we can get a few cool things done though. Let's see who's yelling at me in the Discord for stuff being broken. No apps. Okay. Looks like, uh-oh. Doesn't say runs every time based on Linux system. Cool. So is the stream working? It's not giving me my online notifications. And my camera just died. Which is lovely. Let me just check X to make sure I'm actually live. And then we'll start on some stuff. Yeah, we're live. Okay. So I'm still a little conflicted about this whole Neptune thing. Because I honestly think that it's better, but it doesn't have sweeps. So that means I have to add code to Puffer to make sweeps work. But wannabe sweeps kind of suck, so that's not that bad. But everybody's already on wannabe, and a third of our users say that they don't want to migrate off really for any reason. So I don't know what to do about that. And I really don't want to have to do the wannabe downloads. Wannabe's API just sucks for downloading data. I gotta make a decision here. It's just kind of silly, you know? Let me go look at Neptune's restrictions. Let me go look at their thing, because there were some licensing things I have to look at as well. Okay, so... Yeah. Where's their pricing? Up to 3 users. 1 workspace, 1. This is fine though. Can you have a config? So the thing is, I can, but like, this is Puffer AI. This is not Google, right? And like, having both means I have to have extra coded user space for both. Which is really obnoxious. Like, how long have these guys been around? Tune founding date. Are these guys going to be in business? (2017). Actually, let's not trust Google. Perplexity? I really should start using perplexity more. Market cap 1B versus Neptune AI. How much bigger? They raised 8 mil. So this is a very smaller. This is so obnoxious. What do you do when your users are on the big shitty platform that's literally gotten worse over time, that everybody has bad things to say about, even the people that were previously happy, but there's a smaller thing that's doing pretty much what you need better? The thing I'm worried about, okay, so the thing that I'm worried about here, let's say that I do it, right? And I just move stuff to Neptune. It's super easy. I do that today. I can't merge that into the main branch, right? I can't merge like new experimental Neptune whatever stuff into the main branch. So then I've already, like a week into dev, I've started like a long-term dev branch. I mean, supporting both is definitely wrong. Supporting both is definitely wrong, right? So what do I have to do if I really wanted to support want-to-be? I have to write like an obnoxious threaded data loader from sweeps, right? Was that it? I think that's it. I think I just have to write an obnoxious threaded like data downloader for sweeps. So keep want-to-be, have simpler sweeps experience but slower. They literally priced to match. They have a better base thing on it, but that doesn't matter that much. Personal and commercial use. Bunch of companies using it that I've never heard of. I guess Samsung as well. And InstaDeep, great. Can you put a server in the middle to save all the data points to a database? Can you? Yes. Is it like a smart thing to do when you're trying to have like really simple and fast infra? Not really. What's this? It's tough because I don't even have a gut feeling on this. It's like pretty damn evenly split. Because like on one hand, I have like a very strong bias against going with the trendy new thing. But on the other hand, I have a really strong bias against going with the slow clunky thing. I bet you that Neptune will change their from 3 to 5. Because they seem just to be wanting to match each other. That doesn't even matter that much, though. Um, how much code would this involve? That's another way of thinking about it. So, basically, if we're going to have carbs, that's its own like sampler anyways. And the integration with Wannabe sweeps is incredibly janky. So I think it's about the same amount of code with Neptune, if not less. Now with random sweeps, which we're still going to want to do, we have to write our own sampler. Which I did, and it was like 20 lines of code. Not that bad. You just add like dash dash sweep random dash dash sweep carbs. I just don't want to do this if I am going to end up having to migrate it back. How does Wannabe API work? SQLite and just keep it on. I don't want to just do on-prem. People want integrations with a web viewer, and I don't want to build a web viewer. I'll build like a little like blog thing, right? Like this is fine. I can do this for like sharing stuff, but I don't want to build a whole like manager and viewer and thing. So people are going to want the web UI. So it's basically, it comes down to how important is the familiarity of Wannabe versus the analysis Okay, here's another way of looking at this. How important do I think that the off Wannabe like script-based analysis is going to be? That seems pretty damn important to me, right? Being able to do large-scale analysis over tens to hundreds of thousands of experiments, which is what we're going to have. If you look at it from that perspective, if you're building for that, WANDB sucks. Because they don't have a query API. They have like their own bespoke thing. Let me make sure that's true. Query runs. Hold on a second. Runs. Let me just make sure that I'm actually right about their API missing this. You already have WANDB, the challenge. It's not that easy, Tim. So the integration either way is pretty trivial. It's not that hard to use one platform versus the other. The issue is that I gotta make sure of this because this looks like maybe there's something. Neptune makes it incredibly easy to just download all your data into a pandas table. Let me see if this actually works here. This is histories. Let me just check something. Because if they have it, then it's like another story. Yeah, no, they're idiots. Look at that. It starts trying to do a query for every run. It starts trying to do a query for literally every run. Can I get the light to work in this so my camera's not in the dark? My fan light doesn't work anymore. That's lovely. I don't know how they can possibly have screwed this up so badly. It's kind of impressive. They do a query for every single run. Is this faster? Nope. They still query. And based on my interactions with them, I don't expect them to fix this at all. I think I start trying this because it's like, that's just way too obnoxious to tolerate. Not having a good way to just get your data is so obnoxious. If I write a threaded loader, I'm sure I'm going to get rate limited as well, trying to download 100,000 trials. Yeah, that's just so stupid. Huh, that's kind of nice. They have a JS API. I wonder if, does Neptune have a JS API? Probably not. That doesn't really matter too much. That's not a big deal though, because I don't really like their plots anyways. Um, for API. This is just better. Active dev. I mean, to be fair, I could just do it for now, and then I could always migrate back. Or dropping Wannabe is like such a screw you, though. Can I add both somehow? I could temporarily add both, just to see. I'm getting stuck doing it, like just getting stuck on this. I think I do need to actually, unfortunately, I think the correct answer is actually to support both, which really sucks. Can I mitigate this somehow? I can probably mitigate this if I don't do carbs through Wannabe sweeps, or if I don't use Wannabe sweeps API. Probably, yeah. I can probably make it look pretty similar and support it without too much code addition. I guess I just gotta start. It's tough to express how irritating this type of a thing is, but I mean, like essentially labs are gonna want to just run the damn sweeps in the Wannabe UI, but for us internally, we just have too many experiments for that to be sensible. Yeah. Okay. Let's figure this out. So Let's do it the stupid way for now. And this API call is totally wrong. Yeah, I think this does it. Try this for now. Okay, that's all I want to be. Did I remove my Neptune, like, sample code? Damn it. Yeah, damn it. It's okay. You get it back. It's very, very rare for me to want to have to support two things like this. I wonder if we can do some logging of some sort to see how many people use one versus the other over time. Oh, actually, didn't it? I might even have code saved somewhere, but yeah. Name. Thanks. Oh, am I an idiot? I'm in the wrong file. I literally have all this shit right here. Yeah, okay. Let me, hold on. Yeah, perfect. I actually have this convert hyperparam. Okay, let's, yeah. Let's see what I have intact here. So we have tag, 1B group. Yeah, so this is still, I don't know why. Dude, my whole freaking UI for stream is messed up today. Train got an unexpected. Okay. Cool. So now we've got ablations, and if I click this button, tags. There we go. Field is not present for this run. Charts. Train config. Try this now. Oh my gosh, I have totally screwed up. Oops, I just realized I've totally screwed up. Oh, nope, luckily for me, I didn't get a confirmation. Okay, cool. Crisis averted. Missing meetings is very stupid. I don't know. I got just like so exhausted after like midday today. Brain just stopped working. But we lucked out. Okay, so step mice must be. That's fine. Okay. I'm feeling better now. Let's make this work. Error. Step must be interesting. X coordinate. Let's see what happened here. Not leak emails. Thank you. Okay, so there's some bugs, but this does work. And this is what you would expect. So here are all of your charts. Field not present for this run. Train learning rate, environment score. See about that. Let's move this so this is not covered by camera. I may as well just turn the green screen off at the moment because it's like not working. There. It's not that dark in my room, but for whatever reason, the light just doesn't work with this camera. Okay. What we would like to do we've got uniform, log uniform values, int uniform, and log normal. That looks good. Let's do that. There. Now we can see what's going on. We'll leave it as a while loop for now. Why not? Sweep Neptune, and then we have sweep carbs, or sweep wannabe. I wonder if I can make this almost identical by just not going through their sweeps. Just not going through their sweeps. I probably can, right? Isn't it literally the same thing? I think it is. Maybe let's try that. So not going through 1B sweeps, but still keeping 1B support. This can go into clean PufferLib, I guess. Try this. And then literally we can probably get something like this to work. And then carbs will get carbs should get simpler. Carbs integration will still take a little bit of work, but I think we can do it simply enough. Yeah. Whoops, there goes the camera. The camera. I just want to see if we can get like a working prototype of this. Log normal. So this is wrong, right? Like, how's this get sampled? Log of x is normally distributed. How do I sample from this? Let me say log of x is normally distributed. I think it's x, but I honestly don't know. Yeah, it is x. Yeah, it's literally just x. It's literally just this without the log. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this appears to run. And do I get a log? I do have a log here. You can see right here, I'm getting data, right? Train time. Yeah, there you go. That's got everything on it. And then if I do the same exact thing, but I do dash dash 1b, unexpected. None. Let's just do this. Okay, so now I should have on wand B, I should have my own run here. Okay, and I do. So basically, I have jointly supported both of these. There will be some stuff to fix, but the only thing I cut out is the 1B sweeps UI, or the sweeps API, which sucked anyways. So I could probably make a carbs wrapper that just works with both of these, and then we'll be able to cut out this massive block of code. How long does this make our demo file? Okay, let's just put this down with sweep carbs because I think that we're going to be able to get rid of this. So let me see how many lines this is cut. $310 lines out of a 5. Okay, so this will be like a 200 line demo file. If I'm able to do this, it has support for both of these. Perfect. Yeah, this will be perfect. Yeah, that's not that bad. Okay, next up. Is it carbs next? I guess it kind of is carbs, isn't it? It's not that bad, I think. Yeah, so the way that we're going to do this now is going to be way, way, way simpler. Um, to start with, we can just do okay, so this gives you sweep or whatever. Maybe this just works. Something like this, right? And then you just get rid of all this. And the only thing you need still is this. What if it's something that's literally this simple, right? Carb, sweep, and utils. Do we even need this wrapper now? Hmm. I think we'll need two versions. None type, no attribute sweep ID. Well, yeah, because this is made for the wrong thing now, right? How does my camera just keep getting darker? That's like nuts. It's like perfectly bright in this room. Hang on. Did I even do anything? Oh. I guess I gotta get a ring light. This is ridiculous. So this doesn't need any of this mess, does it? Sweep config. I think I'm better off using the original. There's too much in here. We're gonna keep a lot of it though. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay, so now we have this. And what do we need to add to this? It's literally just suggest serve. Output is going to be cost. It's just score and cost. Okay, so this now works, I think. Let's see if this does anything. Metric. Doesn't matter. What the hell? Why can I not? False. Should be values. Name. I thought this was right. Min, max, and base. Linear, log, real number. Logit. Base over scale. How would I specify these before? Well, no, it's just mu. I don't understand what this space is. Want something that I will like that I can test for now. required I'm missing search center. Ugh. Ah. I'm just trying to get something to run so I can test this. I think this has to be flat, doesn't it? Oh. Why is my camera completely dark? Stupid thing. Is it just dead, like, or is the exposure just completely screwed? Okay, it's just the camera's dying then somehow, I don't know. Yeah, now it works. Trying to remember how we do this with carbs. Yeah, okay, so you do still have to make these params. So I have some work to do on this. Basically, I just have to like get the parameters into the format that Carbs wants, and then get you your suggestions from Carbs back in the format that the trainer wants, and then everything should be good from there. And in fact, I should even be able to make things a little bit simpler than before as well. Maintaining a reasonable compatibility with everything. I think I figured it out. It's just going to take a little bit of work. I gotta go get dinner. I'm just gonna keep on this over the next few days, I guess. I got a bunch of other things to do, but this is pretty important. It's basically as soon as I get like a prototype of this repository up and running, I should be able to like start launching tons and tons of experiments. So that would be nice, and that gives me lots of data for analysis. Um, Probably like start on the first 10,000 or so Neptune experiments, and we'll tweak from there. Yeah, this is not that bad. I just need to like lock in and do this thing properly. I'm gonna get dinner. Stream is completely a mess. I've got to reboot this jank machine. But for anyone watching, if you want to see more RL dev, progress will start getting exciting pretty soon in the next couple of days here. There's discord.gg/puffer, lots of helpful people on there. If you're looking to build environments, looking to get involved, you can just keep watching these streams. They're on X, YouTube, and Twitch. I stream the majority of my dev at the least. And also start the repository on GitHub. That helps us out a ton. It'd be awesome to hit 1,500 stars by the end of the year. Other than that, thanks, and I will be back probably tomorrow.